Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So let's first launch the settings application and then click here on the display section, on the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone, you should swipe to the right side with your finger, this white dot. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. And after that, tap here on the settings section. Here you'll see also the same ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute your device ringtone by the same way, slide to the right side with your finger, this blue dot, and then just confirm your changes by click to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.